Today, I'm going to show you how to block specific websites on Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, and then navigate to Extensions. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store by visiting chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, search for Block Site extension. Look for the extension titled Block Site. Block websites and stay focused, and click on it. Then select Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once the extension is added to Chrome, click the I accept button and skip the payment options. Now, you'll be taken to the extension's interface. You might see a tutorial, but what you want to do is find the text box labeled Add to Block List. Here, you will find the websites and categories of websites listed. Go through and check which one you want to block. Moreover, you can block specific keywords as well. You can also search for the specific website you want to block. For example, I want to block YouTube, so I'll type youtube.com in the search box. Once added, you'll see the blocked website listed under my blocked sites. To check if it worked, open a new browser tab and try visiting the blocked site. It should now be restricted. As you can see, it is saying, "This site is blocked by block site." If you want to remove a blocked site, go back to the extension, find the site in the list, and click the trash can icon to delete it. Now again, check if it is working. I'll type youtube.com, and you can see it is now unblocked. I can access it. Moreover, use the checkbox to enable or disable the extension anytime. This tool is great if you want to block distractions, restrict certain sites for kids, or enforce website rules at schools or workplaces. If you want advanced features like scheduled blocking, custom block pages, or extra security, you can upgrade to the paid version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.